I saw them as heroic figures where it would be difficult to live up to that kind of tradition of, under the worst circumstances, being heroic. Because I also, later on, was in awe of the strength they found to rebuild and create a family. But early on, as a kid, here are your parents, but they're also almost mythological figures. Okay? And they're spoken of by others. And others in the household are also mythological figures, and they're written about. And so it created an expectation of what one has to do, what you have to do with your life, that was so out of sync with what the American culture spoke to about what people should do with their lives. But as a youngster, here are heroic people. These are my mom and dad, and their friends are heroic people. But I thought everybody was heroic people, and everybody's life had to be heroic. And that's tough when you're growing up. And I had to come to terms later on with the notion that you do what you can do in life to make stuff better, but you can't always be a hero, and you can't always really change the world and bring the Messiah. But that was a childhood notion. But it was a struggle to realize that not every life is lived on a canvas of big history, that lives are lived on smaller canvases, and that the differences we make, wanting to make a difference is something that certainly you inherit from family values. But the differences you make depends upon the context in which you live. And that took a lot of growing up.